What's going on, guys? It's Dan here and I am introducing today the Hyabusa, my new toy behind me. This is a new channel, so thanks ever so much for obviously tuning in, and please remember to subscribe to it. In this channel we're going to be showing you the development around this beautiful Hyabusa Westfield kit car and show you what we're doing to it, and it's a bit of a progress sort of build and a bit of a sort of vlog for you. Just so you've got a bit of an overview, this is a Westfield kit car built, I believe factory built in around 1998, something like that. It's built in Kingsmanford in the West Midlands in England, and it's got a Suzuki 1300cc Hyabusa engine in it. It was dynoed last a few years ago at 186 horsepower. It runs a sequential 6-speed box and a reverse gear as well, so the thing is an absolute animal to drive. I'm absolutely in love with it. I've had it a few months now. The weather, as you can see, is gorgeous, but we are on lockdown, so I haven't been able to get out in it much before lockdown, but we have got loads of plans to do to it. But I just want to give you an overview on the car at the moment. So as you can see, it has lots of lovely goodies. It has some lovely wheels, so it has the lovely CXR wheels on it, which you can see are finished in sort of a bronzy sort of chrome, which look lovely. We obviously have the standard panel filter on the top of the engine. We have some lovely nitron shocks, which are absolutely gorgeous, and the handling is absolutely brilliant on them as well. So this actually used to be a competition car as well. So it did used to compete in hill climbs and the sprint series. So it used to be red and black. Some of you may or may not know of it. So that's why it's got such a lovely sort of setup with the suspension and everything. And obviously you can see from the roll cage as well, it's absolutely track sort of set up and ready, even though I have been driving it on the road so far, and it's a beast on the road as well. But it's got some lovely extra things. We've obviously got the carbon fibre front sort of front cycle wings on there. We've also got a few of the lovely little extra bits and bobs. It's dry sumped, so that's a good start. We have lovely TRS harnesses that obviously hold you into place. They're 5-point harnesses as well, so even better. We've obviously got a great cage on it. Now the cage is the make of the cage. Great cage on it. It's a custom cage, and that's got a full cage on it. That actually has a separate bar that comes down. Actually comes down the middle that you can put in for single seater racing, which we have got as well, which is absolutely brilliant. It's got shift light and everything. So I'm absolutely in love with the Westfield. I've had a couple in the past, but never had a bike engine one. Always wanted a bike engine Westfield, and I can safely say I have joined the dark side. I don't think I'd ever have a car engine Westfield now. I absolutely love this. So plans to do to it, we've got a full service that we're going to be doing to it in the next up episode that I'll upload, and we also then have to fix the starter clutch, which has gone already, but we knew that was on its way out. We have the parts for it, so we'll be getting that fixed this week, hopefully at some point. But again, that's quite a big job. We need to take the clutch apart and replace some parts in that. But after that, we're going to start tuning it. We want to take it to about 250 horsepower. With a load of engine parts, probably bore it out to 1400cc. Got lots of plans for this car, but stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel, drop us some comments in the link below and stuff, and enjoy the vlog, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.